all of his are friends. He's sad. He doesn't want to be a monster. He wants to stay in the ground.
I haven't ever met him. Watch out for the coop.